Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen for our Year 4 Presentation Assembly. Yes, we are here. It is Friday the 1st of April 2022. We're going to celebrate all those children who have earned themselves certificates throughout this whole spring term. We're also going to start off as well looking at those children who have earned house points and the top 3 in each class of house points. So we're going to start off with that first and we'll see, look at this. Top 3 in each class of Miss Whites and Miss Barrett's. Look at the number of house points these children have been earning. It is ridiculous. So we've got Fiona on 143. We've got Mahir on 157. And Jakisha on 179. You three stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. That is a huge number of house points. Really well done. Huge congratulations, guys. And just keep it up over the summer term as well. It's amazing. And in Miss Barrett's, we also have, look at these guys. Marshall on 104. Joseph on 107. And Berin on 110 house points. You three, stand up, guys. What an amazing amount of house points that you have earned. You absolute superstars. Really, really well done. I mean, multiply that by 5 because that's how many merits are to a house point. And you'll see how many merits these children have earned so far this year. Well done. Top 3 in each class. Well done. I know everyone's going to be giving you a massive round of applause now. So well done. Moving on to some certificates now. And here we go. Look at these English stars. Oh, my word. Working so hard throughout this spring term on English. We've got Milana. We've got Rocco. We've got Mahir. We've got Christopus. I know you guys have worked so hard. You made amazing progress throughout this spring term. So really, really well done. And huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your English certificate home with you today, you superstars. And on to our reading stars. Look, now, not only will these guys be taking a reading certificate home, but they'll be taking a new reading book as well, as always. So you've got Mandy, you've got Charlemagne, we've got Eva, and we've got Max. And you guys have been reading every single day. So really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy your new reading books as well. And you'll be able to do lots of reading over Easter with it as well. So well done. To our maths stars, look at these mathematicians, right? Working mathematically and doing amazingly in all their maths mastery lessons and are making amazing progress throughout this spring term. You've got Regan, you've got Jakisha, you've got Jack, and we've got Jack. Look, both the Jacks there. So really well done, guys. Huge congratulations on earning your maths certificates. You know, keep up doing maths. You know, you get on that timetable Rockstar. You know you can over Easter as well. So keep up with your maths as well. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Our PE stars. Now these guys have been super active and amazing in their PE and their games lessons. You've got Byron, you've got Nicodem, you've got Lila Jade, and we've got Emily. But not only have they been amazing in their PE lessons, but they have been at break and lunchtime as well, being really active. So well done, you four. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Well done. And our scientists, look at these scientists. These scientists, big smiles on their face. Abe, that is it. You should be smiling now because you've just won your science certificate. So well done. So you've got Abe, you've got Cleo, you've got Khaleesi, and we've got Anna Marie. Well done, you four. I know you also love science, your science lessons as well. Because I know you all talk about your science. You love your science lessons as well. So huge congratulations. Well done on earning your science certificates as well. Congratulations. Our history stars. Look at these historians working so hard on their history as well. So we've got Alfie Jack, we've got Bailey, we've got Fiona, and we've got Tyler working so hard on their history topic throughout this spring term. And I know, again, you guys are loving your history lessons. Enjoy taking your history certificates home with you today as well. So well done, you superstars. Oh, look at these English stars now. Some English stars. Look at this. We've got Jessica, we've got Marshall, we've got Berin, we've got Alexis, who've made amazing progress throughout the spring term on their English. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking your English certificates home with you today, you superstars. Well done. And our reading stars, look at these guys. Now, these guys read twice a day, every single day, even over the weekend, and they're going to get that chance over Easter as well when they take home not only their certificate, but their reading book as well. So we've got Diego, we've got Daniel, we've got Thea, we've got Lexi. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your reading certificate and your reading books home with you today, you superstars. Well done. Our math stars, look at these mathematicians. Big smile from Ollie. Yes, Ollie, you should be smiling, buddies. We've got Ollie, we've got Milana, we've got Savannah, and we've got Millie, working so hard on their maths and their maths mastery lessons and making amazing progress as well. So really well done. Huge congratulations, guys. And just, keep it up. Again, like I say, you can get on that timetable Rockstar over Easter as well to keep up, keep ticking over until we start in the summer term. So well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Our PE star, look at these guys, again, big smiles and being really physically active. You've got Jaden, you've got Eric, you've got Tilly, and you've got Tia Rose. Well done, guys. You have worked so hard in your PE lessons. I know that. Lots of feedback, lots of really positive feedback, following instructions and working so hard, but actually being really physically active at all times, break and lunch as well. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking your PE certificates home with you today, you superstars. Our scientists, look at this, little states of matter. Look at these guys working so hard on their science. You've got North, you've got Willow, you've got Joseph, and you've got Angel. Again, big smiles on your faces. And you should be smiling again now because you've just earned yourselves your science staff certificates for the spring term. And that's working so hard throughout the whole spring term. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking your science certificates home with you today. You superstars. Really, really well done. And our historians, look at these historians again, big smiles again. Caius, you've got Heather Rose, you've got Summer, and you've got Jayla, working really hard on the Egyptian work and doing so well on everything around that and around their history. And also how much you love your history lessons has come really apparent in all of your work. So really well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. You absolute superstars. Super work. And well done, everyone. What an amazing term it has been for year 4. You absolute superstars. You've all worked so hard. Whether you won a certificate or not, really well done. Good luck this afternoon, maybe with your Easter egg raffle, with your raffle tickets, see if you can win yourself an Easter egg. Okay. Also, that obviously we break up today for our Easter holidays and we're back to school on Tuesday, the 19th of April. The gates will open at 8:30. We're not open on Monday, it's a bank holiday on Monday, so it's Tuesday the 19th of April at 8:30 the gates will open. So have a wonderful, happy Easter everyone, and until then we'll see you all on Tuesday the 19th of April. Bye-bye now.